like the sound of the rain against my window, babe. Does it calm you down after a long, hard day? Watching the thunder and rain pirouette in the dark blue clouds in the sky. The leaves blow every which way as the breeze drifts by. Does the sound of its running water splish, splash, pit, patter relax your mind? Could you watch it fall from the atmosphere? One drop at a time, for hours and hours while you chit-chat with me. Would you like to play in its falling crystals? Saturn rains diamonds in the black drop of nature's cinema screen. My number one favorite movie is you and I. Let's test the waters and give creation a show. My reservoir overflows like an ocean. I climax prisons when you knock on my door and rain down on me. Soft, gentle, soothing, galactic, epic, your heavy rain drip. I paint mud prints in the sand on your landscape with these hands, shaping mold your canvas as we architect and engineer a new rain dance and a variety of stern seas. Lightning flashes across the shades of gray as locked in a trance state until the last water drop has hit the shattered earth. My number one favorite movie is you and I. Let's test the waters and give creation a show. My reservoir overflows like an ocean. I climax prisons when you knock on my door and rain down on me. Bask in my Neptune underneath the stars. Moonlight glances down at us, all and flow when these wings grace the night. My pearls sing to you a lullaby, planets orbit around awesome. Drench me with your dew until it rises. My daybreak too. Magnetic as fuck you are. Mistake your charm. Come swim in this abyss to unlock worlds yet no. When we float, to dare to backstroke. Do you like the sound of the rain against my window, babe? Does it calm you down watching the thunder and rain dance in the dark blue clouds and blue sky. The leaves blow every which way as the breeze drifts by. There's the sound of the running water, splish splash, pish patter. Relax your mind. Ooh. Watch it fall from the sky or the atmosphere. One drop at 8 a.m. For hours and hours while you chit-chat with me. Would you like to play in its falling crystals? Saturn rains diamonds in the black drop of nature's cinema screen. My number one favorite movie is you.